everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you our March mystery kit. Spots are now open today for April's mystery kit, so if you have not subscribed to our subscription and you're interested in that, you can click the link below in the description box to look at the details for our mystery kit subscription. March's mystery kit, I'm so in love with the colors, with the rose pink soft colors, and it's very springy. And I'm just going to jump in and show you all the stickers that come with March's mystery kit. So first we have the bonus add-on, and then we have the kit. So let's look at the add-on first. So this is on washi paper, sticker paper, and the foil is gold. We have a couple of like divider strips that has gold butterflies on it. And then we have the swatches, the watercolor swatches, and then some deco. We have a couple of bunnies and some tulips, flowers, very springy type artwork. And this is the first page of the kit. Look how gorgeous the colors are and the artwork. So we have some flowers in a watering can, some birds flying around. We have like a morning coffee and some flowers from like the flower market. Some more flowers. It says welcome spring in the foil. We have some rain boots with flowers coming out of it, and then that foiled bunny again. And then look how cute this bunny is with the rose colored bunny holding a flower. And this double scene is so pretty. It looks like a kind of like garden scene where we have different flowers, and then there's like a water fountain in the middle. It looks very serene, majestic. We have butterflies and birds flying around. And then down here we have some books with flowers bordering around it. It could be maybe some like books on gardening and stuff like that. Next we have our Monday through Sunday. I love the swatches, the watercolor swatches that are behind the days. And then we have some washi strips below that with the tulips and then the rose pink watercolor background. Then we have our flags, our 3 bow checklist boxes, some circles, a little movie sticker, and then some layering pieces. Then we have our scallop dividers or bow dividers, our half circle scallop stickers, and then some thinner washi strips. Then we have the functional page that has foil on it. I love the butterflies that are on these oval boxes. Then we have a couple of more full boxes. This box is raining. We have like an umbrella and some of those flowers again. And then there's just a bundle of flowers over here. I really like that foil piece at the top. Monday through Sunday box. And then we have some like corner pieces in here. The heart date dots for the month, weekend script, and then some more foil layering pieces. Then we have the header and glitter headers. Great for organizing your days in your planner, setting goals and stuff. We have the Fashion Girl box, and we have the icon page. So let's look at the Fashion Girls. So over here, she's painting some of the flowers that she's looking at. That's really neat. And then gathering flowers, smelling flowers, And these icons over here is like for tracking the gym or steps, meals, washing your dishes, going to the grocery store, Trash Eve, coffee, tea, all that good jazz. And then the last page is the deco page. So we have some of the fashion girls, and then we have some of the other artwork that we saw from earlier. So we have that bunny with umbrella, some flowers and butterflies. That's a closed umbrella. Super, super neat. So this right here is the mystery kit for March. You get all these pages of stickers and a bonus sticker. If you are someone that loves surprises and giving yourself like a little gift every month, you love artwork and stickers and planning or journaling or being, crafty, I recommend signing up for a mystery kit because this kit is exclusive to our subscription, so you will not see this in our shop at all. So if you don't want to miss out the artwork that you see, make sure to sign up for next month in the link below. Make sure to follow us on Instagram as well, as we are really active on that channel. I will make sure to share my spread of this later on YouTube Shorts and on Instagram. If you have any questions about the mystery kit subscription, feel free to comment them below. I am so excited for spring. This makes me so excited to start planning all the fun activities and things I'm going to do. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your month as always, and I'll see you again next time. Bye everyone.